My name is Jonathan. I live in Boston and I live a little bit in Copenhagen as well, but I study in Boston. I am playing on the Jargar strings on the A and the D string. And then on the G and C string I play on spirochord. They create a huge variety of colors. I just love to have that huge amount of overtones. They can also react very well to me going close to the bridge and playing very, very loud, and also going away from the bridge and playing around with how I want to make the sound is something that I feel like Jargar creates a very nice feeling for, and they're very warm strings as well. Very warm sound, which is super nice, and makes it very easy for me to feel most comfortable possible on the instrument. I can really hear when the string is getting tired because the sound is not the same. So I shift strings, I think, more than usual, because I just love to have that huge amount of the overtones which the strings create, especially the first month. And I'm very, very happy with them.